my son's own. It's so cute. People, hi my darlings, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. So welcome back again to yet another interesting vlog. You guys, I just came back from the market and I'm about to prepare food for my family. Okay, and the vlog might be up by now. Yeah, it might be up by now before this one, or I don't know, whichever way. So do well to check out that vlog, market vlog. I'm just coming back. Okay, so I'm about to start cooking, so relax and enjoy this vlog. Okay, I want to quickly prepare lunch for my family and I'll take you guys along, so relax and enjoy this vlog with me. Okay, see you guys in my next clip. Oh. Man, no be God.
You can have everything on earth, all the power, all the wealth, but you can't rule the world, because man no be God. Everything today will surely pass away, and you can't rule the world, because man no be God.
Try all the ingredients. I wish I can show you how. Already boiled it. Love it? Yep, I love the smell. Love the smell. Yep, that's the type of rice. Okay. Please, Ma, please. What are you helping?
You can have everything on earth, all the power, all the wealth, but you can't rule the world, because man no be God. Everything today will surely pass away, and you can't rule the world, because man no be God.
Guys, our food. Our food is ready. Grabbing my food. Let's eat together. Hey guys, welcome back again. So we are done. I'm done cooking. I'm so tired right now. We are done eating our lunch, but right now Richie is going somewhere. He's going to a birthday party. Only him is going. So his tuition mom granddaughter is having birthday, so they invited only him. So he's already
her gift.
Okay, we know. So he's to the market and pick up some gift for her. I don't know what's inside the gift but my son is good with gifting. He loves giving gifts. So he's going alone to the birthday party, and I'm here with Adana and Jerry. Okay, we are doing some work, laundry as always. Oh my goodness. I'll catch you guys later. Let me see him off because they said by 6 p.m. and it's already 6 p.m. so he needs to start going. While I'm here with these people, my other kids that are disturbing. I'll catch you guys later on. Okay, see you guys later on. So he wrote on the gifts, Swara, may your wish.
Happy birthday, Swara.
Happy birthday, Swara. May your wishes come true. May God bless you. So he just wrote this, and he picked up a lot of gifts. Okay, let's go. No, it's for you not to get it. Hey, uncle, wait. Wait. Go. It's inside, so he's going with his bicycle. He's inside. Bye.
Bring us candy.
See what, Mama? What are you doing? You're doing heart. Hey, let's go inside. Let's go inside, both of you. This is my son's own. It's so cute. See the Crocs, and this is Jerry own. Okay, this is Richie own. Let me just be calling name. This is Jerry own. It's so cute. See, and this is Adana own. I could have, if it's me that went, guys, I could have buy pink or her favorite color, which is yellow, but daddy, you know now, so he got any color of his choice. So this is Adana own, and this is literally my own. I'm not a fan of Crocs, but he gets for him buying this, I have to start wearing it. So these are the Crocs that he got. They're so cute. They're so cute. So see how it and this one is Gerard's favorite color. Red color is Gerard's favorite color. So this is the Crocs he got while we were sleeping inside it. See,
I love it.
I like it.
You like it? The kids has been so excited. See, and this is mine. This is my own. Wait, I have to on the flash. And this is my own.
Lime.
Let me see. How is your own? How do you like?
I love it.
Color. Red.
Red. Yeah.
I'm gonna jump.
Yeah. They're so excited.
Wait.
Okay, guys.
Let's
See you
see
later.
anything.
See you later. Let me also jump on my own. It's so dark. I love it.
The next day.
Guys, this is me officially ending the vlog. I started with our African hairstyle. Mama turn. This is her rocking her African hairstyle. Be going. Go. The van is here. So don't forget to, Mama, look here. Look where you're talking now. We are not seeing you. Aya.
Ring the bell.
Okay.
Let's ring the
So-
bell.
That's turn on your post bell, that bell there, so that they can be notified when we drop a new video. So she's rocking her African hairstyle to school today. She's loving it. She's loving it.
Why is it like
All right, guys, we'll see you in our next video.
Why is it like square, square, square?
Yeah, nice one. Bye, Mama. Say bye. Bye, Jara. Say bye, guys. Okay, see you guys later.